What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the lifestyle. It's been a minute. I was going to make a tutorial on my hair on how to do it, but I didn't complete it, so I didn't feel like making a tutorial if I didn't complete it. So I plan on taking the rest out. As you can see, I have little braids, almost cornrows, whatever you want to call them, and I had, mom helped me part it, stuff like that, but the parts weren't small enough. That's why, like, all back here, like this middle part is not done. I finished the sides and it got hard to do in the back since I don't have a high top anymore. When I got down here, my hair is very straight back there, so it was really hard to get it to grip and all that stuff. I will be taking them out and it's gonna be all curly and looking like a braid out. So I figured, why not make a braid tutorial? I can show you how to do it. I'll probably take, this one's extremely loose, so I could take it out and show you guys how to do it. And then, yeah. So, as of right now, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed ones. The two in the middle, the parts weren't small enough, therefore I couldn't complete them. That's why you see this little puff here, because I was gonna keep going, but I stopped. And then this one's too loose, so I didn't finish them. For those people who have really short hair and you're like, oh, I can't do any styles or anything because my hair is too short, that's not true. You still can. Well, it does depend on how short your hair is. My hair is up to here now. I cut it earlier on this year. I had dreads and then I took them out, I cut it. So, here's how you do it. So you take this, like the very beginning, move some hair out the way, and you take this tiny piece and you make it a braid. Once you make it a braid, a small braid to the best you can, then you pull it, you grab a little bit of hair back here, and you know that when you make a braid, you need 3 strands of hair. So you split this into 2, and take this as your 3rd strand. My sister calls this cornrow. Those for people that don't know how to cornrow. And then once you tie it back to this one, you have 1 piece of hair here, and then you do the same thing again with the next pieces of hair. You split it into 2, you connect it to this one, and you go all the way back. Your end result will be something like one of these. You'll have something going all the way back. And I did it with my hair being only down to about here. So it's possible for you to do it too. But now I'm gonna take everything out. So this coil detangler, some tea tree oil, a giant thingamabobby of curling cream. Use this, wet my whole head, and then put the oil on it, and then put the cream. Put everything on while you have on the braids, then take out the braids. And you'll see why in a minute. Okay, so I just finished taking it out. Now I'm gonna apply more of the products I showed earlier and fluff it up, and it should be more of a defined look. I still have like a braid here. Wow. My camera is dying, so hopefully I can finish before it dies. Now I'm just gonna add some of the spray and also some of the curl cream. I was told by a friend that
wetting your hair activates your coils.
And I was just like, okay. So that's why I'm using this. I don't rub in this part yet until I have like the cream in my hand, so that it can go in together and help each other out. So my camera did end up dying like a second ago, so I had to finish and then change the battery, but this is what it looks like. Just nice, easy, simple curls after I unbraided my hair. that's pretty much it. It would look a lot better if I had a haircut right now. I'll probably get a haircut later and maybe put a picture in here or make it my thumbnail. But that's it for now. I will see you guys next time. Peace.
Come follow me to a secret place where